a plant growing in it on Shabbos.
Plant growing from the drain?
I mean, it says the sink. I don't know specifically from the drain, but I don't know.
I mean, sink is made of I don't know, like stainless steel or something, or ceramics. So how the plant is going to grow, I'm not sure. How the plant can grow there.
A friend says, say a seed falls into the drain, okay, and you see a plant growing in it from a produce.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, it's hypothetical. Yeah, so you would not be able, yeah. So because you water in the plants, yeah. Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
So this would not apply to any some type of mold or the like.
That's a good question. If you're allowed to pour water on molds, I mean, if mold is, I'm not sure if mold is going to grow, I guess, so it would not be allowed. So I mean, mold, the way I understand it, it's alive. It's like this, I don't know what category of plants is it, but I mean, mold, right? But it's alive, it's growing. So of course, I think it like water, the way I understand. So it would be issue, yes.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So does this depend on the quantity of mold that they have on these areas, or I mean, I know it's pretty common that, say, in the bottom of the drain, where the water flows down, there's just a little bit of mold there found there. So I don't know, would this be problematic despite of the small quantity of it?
No, I mean, okay, maybe when I was saying mold, I apologize. I always said like mold, this like from what you have outside, like in my mind, like the bricks. Sometimes you have a mold like from a lot of rain or something on a tree around the tree. That's what I thought. Okay, but here mold. No, in this case, I don't think that this mold is alive. I mean, I know it's bacteria, but I think there is no problem. So in my mind, it was like mold, like a plant. Yeah. But because we start with the plant, I was continuous thought. Yeah. Okay. So the answer is in mold that I described, it's forbidden. But in mold mold on like house mold, this what is it? Greenish stains, greenish what is it? Bluish stains. So there is no problem.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I know what is the mold that I was referring to, the green thing that,
Yeah, green thing, yeah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So, next question. On the subject of tending to sprouts on Shabbos, is it problematic to raise a lid of a container that contains sprouts if that is a routine weekday activity that seems like creative work, like planting?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure about the situation that there is a sprouts. They in the water or they are in the soil. So if you close with the lid, if you open the lid, so what is going to happen? I'm not sure what is adds to the sprout. I'm not sure. Person can be like a little more specific. So what is not allowed is is a watering like planting. Like planting is and watering is the same thing. So if you try to do something that promotes the growth of this sprout, that would be forbidden. Whatever is it, you move from sun, for example, into shade, from shade into the sun. You put more water, put more whatever the chemicals, so that would be forbidden. But otherwise, if it's like close with the lid, you take out the lid. I'm not sure what we're trying to do. Is it like a weekday activity? I mean, it depends. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi. Our friend, this says, opening the lid allows them to air out and get air, which contributes to their growth.
Yes. Okay. So yeah. See, I didn't. Okay. So in this case, no, we would not be allowed. Yeah. So some need plants, some need watering, and some need airing. Yeah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.